Okay, hey creamers, or hi guys. Today I'm in Roblox in Adopt Me with a fan. I think she's a fan. We're actually pretty good friends. We met on Roblox. She said hi YouTube. I don't even know what she wanted to do in this video. Okay. Say what? This is my first time on a vase, so I may be a little shy. Oh, that's okay. It's okay. Oh, hatch eggs. Okay. But what? Okay, sorry, I just got quiet. Hello? Okay. I get quiet when I wait. Also, I'm on the phone with my friend, and we muted each other for this video, so it's kind of very awkward, but yeah. Is she gonna say something, or is she saying something really? What? Unmute yourself.
I gotta go.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, she had to go. We are going to hatch one egg, and whoever gets the higher rarity, they get to choose what put they want that they're in. Oh. I don't really want to give anything for my inventory. That's the thing. I like what from their backpack. That's a neon golden unicorn. All I have is a golden dragon. A pet you can't. A pet you can't. You can't take this one. Okay, but this is. I feel mean now. Really? Kinda. Order. Okay, now this is just embarrassing. Wow. Why am I even doing this? Well, a bad pet. I don't know. Definitely not Definitely not a dog. No dogs are being traded. Or they win. Challenge. This is just so awkward. Now I'm embarrassed. Okay. She said, so we have challenge. Giving. Okay, this is just awkward. Very awkward. I feel so awkward. Oh, sorry, I can't really trade right now. We won't give, we just win. Okay. Okay. But see, kind of broke. Bro. Oh, okay. Hold on. You know what? I'm gonna ride Pit. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm gonna fly my pet. Okay, she's going. Yeah, I need a vehicle. I'm gonna get a hoverboard like her. Can you let me move, please? Why would it not let me move? Okay. Why can I not? Okay, there we go. Okay, this is a very awkward video, and yeah. And it is true, guys, that I am kind of a hoarder. See, why? This hoverboard does not like me. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I'm recording. Oh my gosh. See. This hover thing hates me. Okay, we'll just... There we go. Okay. Okay. Oh, I accidentally said W. Dang it. You know what? This is just... And Golden Dragon got dog sick. Yay! Golden Dragon got the baby sick. Okay. Sorry, I don't got a second to help you. I'm so sorry. I would help you if I could. Okay, that was a notification. Okay. I don't know. I said I'm Brooke, but okay. or Brock. Let's go hatchet. I mean, okay, hold 1 sec. You know, I'm gonna pause the video because it's already 10 minutes and the limit is 15. Okay, I'm kind of broke. So, yeah, I spent all the money on a house I was building, and I'm still not done with the house, and I'm still broke. I spelled broke wrong, but don't. I have 800 bucks. Oh, I feel so bad now. I feel like I've been mean. Because I met this girl in Roblox and we ended up friends. Love her. You can have it? No. You can keep it. Oh gosh, I'm obsessed with trunks. Oh. Wanna race? Sure, but I feel mean now. I love puppies. Oh my gosh. Even though it's just a dog, well, it's not just a dog to me. Even though it's a common, I still feel really bad. Say, I feel. I bad. Okay. This video is gonna end. Oh gosh, it's 13 minutes. I'm gonna pause this till we get to the race. Okay, we're at the race. Race again. You ready? Oh, oh my gosh. Why can I not? Yes. I can. Right, I can't move right. I can't. Oh, dang it. Okay. What if I get right here? Oh my gosh. Can't move right. Face this way. Go. Wait, no. Oh, I didn't even do this. Restart. Wait, the video is gonna end. Oh gosh. Why is it just pushing me back? Like stuck? And why am I just spinning? Oh, this video is gonna end. Yeah, so, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, this was very embarrassing and weird. Yeah. Bye, creamers. Bye.